Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, someone I know, and this is not the first time this happened. This happened years ago too. Well, someone I know received a call today saying that someone from Nationwide called them asking if they knew who I was. And the person said no and hung up. And scammers will try to call people that you know to pick them for information to do whatever scam they're trying to do. So just beware. When I looked up the number, it looks like it was a home phone because it came up as a landline, and not a business. And an article came up from a sheriff's office saying that people should beware of scammers or scam alert, that people are calling from pretending to be businesses basically to try to pick people for information. So just be careful, y'all. And the sheriff's office advises that you immediately hang up. So there's that. I hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Smooches. Mwah.